What if urban scooters stopped chasing aggressive styling and started focusing on something far more useful? Something smarter, more practical, more adaptable. This is the Honda Square X125, and it stands out immediately in a market dominated by curves and sharp, sporty designs. Instead of following the trend, it takes a completely different approach with a bold, boxy shape. Flat panels, clean edges, and a minimalist look that almost feels industrial. But that design isn't just for visual impact. It's built with purpose. The squared body makes it easier to mount accessories and maximizes usable space, something most scooters simply don't prioritize. And this is where it becomes even more interesting. The Square X125 is designed with a modular concept in mind. Its flat body panels allow riders to easily customize the scooter with racks, storage boxes, or even lifestyle add-ons, making it highly adaptable for delivery work, daily commuting, or light touring. In real-world urban environments, that kind of flexibility is a major advantage. Not every rider is looking for style alone. Many need practicality, efficiency, and versatility in one package. And this is exactly what Honda is aiming to deliver. Instead of just following trends, Honda is trying to create a new direction. A scooter that isn't defined by speed or appearance, but by how useful it can be in everyday life. Underneath its unique exterior, the scooter is powered by a 125 cubic centimeter engine that delivers smooth, responsive, and fuel-efficient performance, perfect for navigating busy city streets. Comfort is also a key focus. The riding position is upright and relaxed, while the suspension setup provides stability even on rough or uneven roads. And when it comes to safety, it brings something unexpected for this class. The Square X125 is equipped with dual-channel ABS, offering better braking control on both wheels, something rarely found in scooters at this level. It also features a fully digital instrument panel, giving it a modern and practical touch with clear, easy-to-read information. All of this makes one thing clear. This isn't just another scooter. It represents a different philosophy. A scooter built for urban explorers. Compact enough for traffic, yet tough enough to handle imperfect roads. Almost like a mini adventure scooter designed for daily life. With an estimated price around $2,000, it has the potential to become a strong alternative to conventional scooters on the market. And if this concept gains traction, we might be looking at the beginning of an entirely new category. So the question is this bold, boxy machine the future of urban mobility?